Do you go down with your whole foot or are you on your toes? Now, if you've been to some of the other Aqua Tips, you'll realize I like starting from the ground up, and we have a look at what's going on with the feet. So let's have a look at what the foot's doing on the bottom of the pool.
When you perform the pendulum, you need to perform it so that you're bouncing off your toes. This is not a whole foot exercise going down to the bottom of the pool. Because you want the boat to go vertically, you need to spring up off your toes. Watch what happens when I try and put my whole foot down to the bottom of the pool. It's so much harder to create the spring, and I really wanted to tilt my body from side to side to bring the whole foot down. And that can be a little bit uncomfortable with people who perhaps have issues with their knees, because there's so much just force that goes through the joints when you put the whole foot down to the bottom of the pool. So bounce off the toes. It will create the spring effect that you're after. I'll go through it again. Toes, hold it down. You can see straight away, I want to do this. I really want to rock from side to side with my whole foot down, because I can't create any power otherwise.
So, on your toes, my friends, not whole foot down. This is the one activity where you do not put your whole foot down, and it will actually create a lot more discomfort, right? So, that jarring that I felt through my knees was not pleasant at all, because of the lateral movement that I'm trying to do with my legs. So I'm landing and I'm trying to push my legs to the side. Knees don't like it very much. They don't like it very much. So make sure that people are springing off their toes.